Ever wonder what is the difference between a life coach and a spiritual life coach? And which one is the right calling for you? Hi, I'm Binahtiyah from Aware Multimedia. I create content for entrepreneurial energy healers and light workers in the spiritual business. If that's you, continue watching. The spiritual business is big business. Everywhere you turn, there's a spiritual life coach or a life coach claiming to help you to create the life that you desire. And I'm certain that they are passionate about helping you to live your best life. The question is, are you? Especially when you find out that you have to do all the work. So how do you decide which is best for you? The spiritual life coach path or just the life coach path? And how do you decide which one is which? What's the difference? There are many different spiritual businesses, spiritual entrepreneurs, life coaches, and spiritual life coaches out there. Now, life coaching is a relationship between two people. It is a commitment to one another to work on an issue that is important to both of you. A life coach can be a person who has been through what you are going through now and understands what it takes to get from where you are to where you want to be. They can also be someone who believes in your potential or who sees the very best in you. Life coaches help you to find answers and they support you in getting there, but it's still up to you to do the work. Spiritual coaching is a form of counseling that involves psychology, spirituality, and techniques from other disciplines, such as Reiki, yoga, meditation, etc. That helps people to explore their spirituality and develop the spiritual muscle to live an authentic life. Some spiritual coaches can help you find meaning in your life through spirituality. They may help you to explore different religion, connect with nature, or learn how to meditate. Spiritual coaching isn't just about exploring your faith or your beliefs. It's also about exploring your deepest self, developing your intuition, and finding ways to be more present in your life. So which one resonates most with you? Spiritual coaching or life coaching? Comment below. If you feel a calling towards being a coach or a spiritual coach, it's important to decide which path is the right path for you and whether or not it will fulfill your needs and your goals. There are numerous avenues available to learn how to start a spiritual healing business. There are online trainings and online classes, as well as in-person training. It just depends on what your preference is, what it is that, resonates with you the most. If you're wondering if this is a lucrative path to follow, here are some of the top spiritual coaches on the market to inspire you. John Edwards. John Edwards' gift as a medium allows him to communicate with spirits and offer insights into the futures of those who are seeking his advice. Liz Green is a widely known astrologer and counselor who focuses on relationships between people and their inner selves. Deepak Chopra. Who doesn't know who Deepak Chopra is? He's known as the poet laureate of alternative medicine, and he has written more than 85 books on wellness, both for adults and children. Whether you resonate with being a life coach or a spiritual coach, or you are simply curious about spiritual entrepreneurship, your light and energy is needed. Make sure you download your demo kit in the description box below to help you to get started on your spiritual business. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Remember to hit that bell for my upcoming video. Thank you. Bye for now.